Hello, today I'm in Subaru XV. In this video I'll show you how to activate voice assistant. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this button. Simply press it to activate voice assistant.
What would you like to do?
Listen to AM radio.
Tuning to 513 AM. If you would like, you can say change the station or something like tune to 900.
Here is the list of all possible commands.
How may I help you? To use this speech recognition, going to voice recognition settings and exiting voice control, press the talk button to resume.
If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.